Hey guys, welcome back to the Daily Crypto Market Update. Today, I'm filming here at the beach in Bali, which is getting blown out by this, whatever, like this eyesight camera, whatever, my computer. Today is raining in Bali just a little bit, but I mean, that's how it is in tropical islands. The skies look stormy, a little bit like crypto looks right now, but the reality is that the sun's going to come out. That's basically what I want you to take away from today's video. So let's start over here first with BTC. Now, with Bitcoin, the main thing that's good is from yesterday, even though it saw a low at $108,000, it did close up on the day, like 1.5%, mainly because Ethereum closed up, and it's still inside of the daily TBO cloud. One thing that actually has happened that's insane is it printed a TBO a TBO open short. That pink triangle right there is telling us that we have a confirmed bear trend. Now, before you freak out and panic, we had our confirmed bull trend back over here. The move itself, 18%, which is an incredible move. Now, the last time we had one of these was back over here, February 11th. I don't expect something like that to happen, where we get a massive pullback, a drawdown. But we need to also watch this level right here. So if resistance gets broken today, and it's actually not that far away, to be honest. It's right here, about $114,000, which I think is possible. If we see a move like that happen, as I would say in Japan, mondai nai. It's not a problem. We should be good. But we are putting in lower highs and lower lows, which isn't really a positive thing to see, to be completely honest. One thing that's true, though, and this is the silver lining, is that because we have a confirmed open short, that means that we're going to see a TBO close short. These orange diamonds are my favorite bullish reversal signals. Before those, we're going to see these green triangles, TBT Bullish Divergence signals. So this is actually how I'm interpreting this pullback right now. I'm not really freaked out, again, because the slow line continues to point up. It's still macro bullish to me. Ethereum had a really nice bounce yesterday. Notice the difference between the two charts. Yes, Ethereum is red so far in the day, more than BTC. But look, Bitcoin closed up 1.5% yesterday. But what did Ethereum do? 5%. I said it last week. I think I said it even the week before. Ethereum is leading this market big time. You have to keep your focus on Ethereum, okay? Now, what we're probably seeing is a repeat of this. We have a pullback to the daily TBO Fast line and a nice push up higher. Pull back to the TBO Fast line. I'm expecting the push up higher to go up to like 4,800 or so. This chart looks so much more bullish than BTC. Look at the difference. For one, on Bitcoin, we have a confirmed TBO open short, which is a bearish confirmation signal. Ethereum still above the cloud. The slow line continues to point up. Like, it's strong bullish on all counts. Yes, we do have a recent TBT bearish divergence signal over here on Monday, but it still looks good. And because it looks good, ETH.BTC looks great. It closed out 3.5%, still massively strong bullish. And what's actually even better about this chart is on the faster time frame, you'll see it more clearly. Yes, we had a close long yesterday, but look where the price retraced to, the 0.5 fib level, and it bounced back up above the 4-hour cloud, showing support at the 0.5 fib level right here. Such a good sign of strength. Now, Stablecoin Dominance. This is the one that I'm worried about. This one is telling me that we could see way more downside price action for BTC, which will negatively affect Ethereum and everything else. We won't know until confirmation, but Monday it closed above. Yesterday, thank God, it closed below. But right now, it's right on this long-term level of resistance. It's not a good place to be in right now. One positive thing about this, though, is that even though the price of combined stablecoin dominance is moving up higher, we're actually not seeing that strength here on the relative strength index. On Monday, we saw a high of 63.93, which is significantly lower than the high that we saw over here on the 19th of August, which is even lower than the high we saw over here. You getting it? So as we see these sequentially lower highs, this is actually a positive sign that while the chart may look strong, we're actually seeing a decrease in strength. This is really good. I'm really excited about this. And this is why I'm also expecting stablecoin dominance to fall. But if it closes back above this level, it's not a good thing. It's not good at all. I'm a little bit concerned about it. I'm trying to stay optimistic, but if we see a massive pullback again today, we will see an increase in stablecoin dominance, which will have a very bearish effect on the market. Bitcoin dominance closed down, again, showing that when Ethereum is leading, everyone's going back to Ethereum. It has a bigger sell-off, but it also has a bigger bounce. It's better for trading compared to Bitcoin. But if Bitcoin continues to tumble lower, we might see an increase in Bitcoin dominance. But the slow line continues to curl down, showing that there is a macro bearish trend. Ethereum dominance, again, I said this so many times. We saw ETH.D move up 2.5%, showing that, or rather proving the point that whenever we see a price increase for Ethereum, we will see a price increase for ETH.D, or percentage increase. And that's super duper normal. So understand that this is just where we are in the market right now. Bitcoin isn't driving the boat. It's not driving the bus, rather, or it's not surfing the waves. It's Ethereum that's surfing the waves right now, and it's leading the rest of the market. Top 10 dominance had a really good day yesterday. Even though it says 1.79% doesn't feel that good, the fact that it bounced off of the fast line right here is a very positive sign. The fact that it's above right now and it's still looking nice is a really positive sign. Remember, we see money flow, Bitcoin, Ethereum, top 10, then everything else. So we've already seen money start to flow out of Bitcoin to Ethereum. Ethereum is doing pretty well, still strong bullish. We're not seeing a massive shift over to top 10 yet, but we will see this dominance chart absolutely pump and go crazy. We have no breakouts yet either on the daily time frame. The total crypto market cap, excluding stablecoins, had this TBO close long on Monday. We haven't seen the price go back up to the fast line, which is currently at 3.59 trillion. It's still inside of the cloud. We're still in bearish consolidation across the map. But again, the slow line's moving up, so I'm staying optimistic. Now, for all of you that have been following my trades here on All Trading, and the best third-party trading platform, and I hope you guys watched my video about their backtester strategy, where basically you can randomize your bars and you can practice trading strategies using the trading terminal. It's so fun, and it's a great strategy to use and to practice as we're starting to finish out this bull market and switch to the bear market. And yes, you can practice with leverage. I still have my Solana BTC position open. I'm still hoping to get this take profit target hit. ETH BTC is still leaving it open. I'm still expecting it to go up here to about 0.046. And for all of you that have been copy trading me on FEMX, congratulations. I just closed some of those positions literally this morning just because I'm satisfied with any amount of profit. We closed positions on Link, Sol, ETH, and AERO for a pretty nice morning. It's a nice way to start the day, I guess you could say. So what, like made like 150 bucks basically in a day, which is nice. So while I do share trade setups, there are links to sign up for FEMX in the description below. So that way you can copy trade me and just making these little trades. Doing pretty well so far. But again, understand, I do make losses. Like I do get stop losses triggered. This is not like green every single day, even though that's my catchphrase, stay awesome and stay in the green. Trust me, I will still get stopped out just like all of you will get stopped out. So just to let you know. And again, if you want to go deeper into crypto trading, focusing on all trading, focusing on how to buy the dip, how to sell the bounce, all that stuff, go to thebettertraders.com, click the link in the description, check out 15 minutes to financial freedom. This is the best place to start because this course talks about automated trading tools focusing on all trading. We have free bot trading signals that are available. So that way you can trade passively to accumulate coins you're interested in. Plus, you get access to the Better Traders Club for 1 month, which includes the trending breakout indicator, the TBO, and a lot of other stuff. Tomorrow on Thursday, we're going to have another Better Traders Club live session. So join the Better Traders Club. But if you want to actually join it and just test it out, you can actually just start here with 15 minutes to financial freedom. Okay, so we're going to finish out today's stream going back over here to TradingView to talk about today's picks. And again, just a friendly shout. If you have coins or charts that you're really interested in me checking out, please leave a comment. Actually, I'm pulling up a couple of the ones that I saw on yesterday's video. And they're just kind of like sprinkled in here. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started first. But again, I haven't even said it yet. Like the video, leave a comment with coins that you're interested in, or share your thoughts about where you think the market is right now. And also subscribe if you haven't. Share this video to help me grow my channel. I really want to hit 100,000 subscribers this year. And it only happens because you like, you comment, you share, and you subscribe. So go ahead and do those things and let's get into it. First up, Hype had an amazing day yesterday. Again, this is why I believe that this is a buy the dip opportunity every single day right now, because the macro trend for many charts remains strong bullish. Not everything. Oh, it's really pouring right now. I don't know if you can actually hear. I know some of you are like, no, just show me the charts. No, like it's really starting to come down right now. Oh no. How am I going to get over to the main hall for the video or like the presentation? I'll be okay. I got a waterproof backpack. We're good. All right. So let's keep going. So Hyperliquid is looking amazing. Up 13%, back above the clouds, slow line looking really good on the 4-hour time frame, TBO breakout on the 4-hour. We want to see 2 more of these in succession. So that way we get a perfect 3 in a row cluster, my favorite. Crow, this one had a huge pump on some news that happened, yesterday evening about some sort of partnership or whatever. This is a very much news-inspired pump, which means we might see a dump because it's very, very, very short-term overbought, in my opinion. One thing to remind you of, when we have a strong bullish chart, the slow line is moving up. This is why I tell you guys, this is why I'm buying the dip. This is how I trade. It's served me really well. This is just an incredible chart. Now, so for some interesting updates, Mantle on the 4-hour time frame, it does not have a TBO close short yet. But you remember this, I was saying, guys, I think we're going to see a pullback from about $1.37 or so. We saw it. The price has fallen down to $1.10. We don't have any TBO close shorts, which is what this orange flag is showing us, but it did fall back to the fast line. I am expecting it to bounce up here to resistance at 133 next. Now for some bullish news, AERO, good day yesterday, 4%. Again, we had that trade closed, which is good, and I still like this chart. It still looks strong bullish. MORPHO has yet to touch the daily TBO fast line, this thick green line right there. I'm waiting for that touch to get an entry. But again, the chart looks strong bullish. I like that. Solana had a really great bounce yesterday at 4%, right into the fast line. This is a TBO Springboard Bounce. It did not go lower to this short-term support fan level, which is a good sign. Link, nice bounce up the TBO fast line. It closed above long-term overhead resistance, that white line. It needs a little bit more juice. It needs a little bit more energy to go higher. Now, AVAX is really interesting because on the hourly time frame, we have 3 TBT Bullish Divergence signals. And when we get a lot of these in a really short amount of time, it's a very bullish signal. I'm actually really excited about this, especially for AVAX because it's super duper oversold. IP story, I believe. This one had a really nasty sell-off, 12% on Monday, went right back up 13% yesterday. You guys think I'm messing around with the AI thumbnails right now? No, like I'm serious. This is why it's a buy the dip market for sure. Now, this one's really interesting. WIF, even though it fell below the cloud, which is a very strong bearish sign, only moved up 4% yesterday on the hourly time frame. Again, TBT bullish divergence signals. Now, it could still fall lower. The chart's massively bearish on the 4-hour. It is strong bearish on the daily. So that's not saying like, oh, this is an amazing buy right now. It's very risky, but a lot of charts are getting really overextended, really oversold. I'm expecting a bounce. Ethereum Classic, this is one that you guys were asking for. Unfortunately, we have a lot of these TBO close longs, these blue diamonds. And when I see a lot of these happening in a short amount of time, that's like a big fat warning flag. Even though the slow line's moving up, which is bullish, even though on the weekly time frame, we have 2 TBO close shorts, which is a massively bullish signal. Short term, it could see a deeper pullback. So I'm a little bit concerned about that. Pyth or Pyth, like Python. This one was requested by you guys. I really don't know why. But I'll go ahead and just share my opinions on it. It's very strong bearish, but the one thing that's interesting about this chart is actually in the TBO cloud itself. If you've ever used Bollinger Bands and you've seen when they get really, really compressed, the TBO does something similar to this. And I go way deeper in the Smarter Trader course at thebettertraders.com, which is the advanced active trading course on how to identify these, how to trade them. It's unfortunately extremely strong bearish on the weekly time frame, strong bearish on the daily. It's bearish 4-hour. It's bearish. I don't really see the potential yet, but the fact that we're seeing the cloud being so compressed, we should see an explosive move. XRP, this one still looks bearish to me, which is why these are all pink. Had a good-ish close, 5% yesterday, which is nice. The slow line continues to move up, but it's really stuck right now in the 4-hour cloud and the daily cloud. It's just not looking good. Sui, as much as I 100% appreciate the Sui team for having me and the Coin Bureau team here, their coin is still in trouble. Monday was a nasty sell-off, 9%. Yesterday, it only recovered 3%. Anytime a chart falls inside of the daily TBO cloud, it's in bearish consolidation. The slow line continues to move up higher. But if Sui tags or breaks 326, that is a big warning sign that we should see it go lower. I would love to see it move all the way back up here to short-term resistance at about $4, but that's a tall order. Last but not least, Pump. This one saw a nasty sell-up on Monday, down 9%. But yesterday's move, again, living up to its name, Pump pumped about 15%, which is insane. It needs to reclaim the 236, but notice we have these successively lower resistance levels. This is what I call a resistance fan. So I am expecting Pump to go back up, but it's going to take a lot of energy, and it is admittedly losing a lot of volume, a lot of interest. Things are looking quite bearish right now. So I am expecting a bounce, but also within reason, there's some significant overhead resistance that has to be watched. Now, again, I want you guys to go to thebettertraders.com. I want you to check out everything we have for you, especially our courses, like 15 Minutes of Financial Freedom, which comes with a 1-month trial to the Better Traders Club. And also, if you missed my video on Sunday, when I was talking about the all trading backtesting thing, you have to watch this video next. This thing is a literal game changer. So until the next time, you know what to do. Stay awesome and stay in the green. Peace.